About 2 months ago or so, I installed a set of aftermarket downpipes, a catted set of primaries and a catless set of secondaries. I also have a full titanium Valvetronic exhaust that starts from the downpipes. You've got the X pipes, you've got the mufflers with the amazing valve control, and it does work very, very well. With the press of a button, you can open the valves or you can close them and make the exhaust a lot quieter. It also helps with the cold start, which can be very obnoxious when the valves are open, but when the valves are closed, it's actually pretty manageable. But don't just take my word for it, hear for yourself. Valves closed, no burbles. Valves open, no burbles. Valves open with burbles. I'm afraid of that one. I don't know if the camera picked up my face when I did the burbles thing, but it is so embarrassing. Anyone who drives this setup with burbles on is absolutely nuts. In the morning when I leave my house, I keep my valves closed, which gets most of the job done. The cold start is still loud, that first rumble, but then keeping the valves closed allows me to leave a little quieter. But then once we get on a straight road, I open it up.
Hazard reported ahead.
And it gets the job done. But let's get off the highway and let me show you what happens when you drive this car in a neighborhood. Just hear this. When you actually open up the valves, that enables burbles, which is another animal in itself. Oh my gosh, there's a guy over there, just gave me a look. Look, check this out, let's see. Hello guy. Yeah, they don't like it. Just hear it. How is this acceptable? You hear it? I hope you're suffering from secondhand embarrassment. I'm gonna put the microphone on the rear bumper so you can hear what it sounds like from outside.